In this video, I'm going to show you how to see Dow Jones in TradingView. So first go to tradingview.com and open up your charts. Then just type Dow Jones on your screen and select this second option. And there you go. The Dow Jones chart on your screen now. So if you want to add this in your watch list, what you can do is right click on the screen and select add DGI to watch list. If you want to use the shortcut, you can do that too by pressing Alt plus W. This will add the Dow Jones in your watch list. So this is how you can see the Dow Jones chart in TradingView.